We started the day off pretty mellow, just hitting the trail here and there, encountering a little bit of rocks, but then we encountered a little bit of sand too. Let's follow along and check it out. It was a hot El Paso day, but the views didn't cease to amaze. As we dropped into Arroyos, we knew a lot of people were going to have to take the bypasses due to the difficulty of the obstacle, but we were going to give the hard line a shot. Here you could see a Jeep actually having to get recovered, and then here starts the show.
¿Cómo me di que tan fácil que te vas a abrir, güey? Ábrase, ábrase más, ábrase más. No, papi, no.
Finished up the trail and we headed back to the trailhead. Had to pull over to make sure we aired up our tires. We got a little body damage playing around that day, but it was all worth it. What a great day of wheeling. Cannot wait till the next adventure. Something to look forward to. But thanks for joining us. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you like the content, leave a thumbs up.